Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is ABCD is a parallelogram with E and F as the midpoints of side AB and CD. Line segments CE and AF intersect the diagonal BD at point P and Q respectively. So, find BD. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD. E and F are the midpoints of AB and CD. Okay, E and F. Then line segments CE and AF intersect the diagonal BD at point this CE and AF intersect at point P and Q respectively. So we have to find BD. As in a parallelogram ABCD, E and F are the midpoints of AB and CD respectively. Then the line segment AF and CE trisects the diagonal BD. This is by theorem. That is DQ equals to QP equals to PB. Here DB equals to DQ plus QP plus PB. So it is 3 DQ. That is 3 QD. Hence BD equals to 3 QD. So our correct option is option C.